In ancient Greek mythology, there were 12 gods called Zeus, Hera, Poseidon, Demeter, Athena, Apollo, Artemis, Ares, Hephaestus, Aphrodite, Hermes, and Hestia. They were called Olympians because they lived on Mount Olympus. They were immortal, but looked and behaved like humans. There were also gigantic beings known as Titans, and hybrid beings known as demigods, which were a mixture of a god and a human. But what if there is something far darker about the Greek gods and the other creatures of Greek mythology? Perhaps the most well-known story in the Bible is that of the rebellion against God between Satan and his angels, and Michael and his angels. In this story, Satan and his angels were ultimately defeated and sent to earth. Interestingly, these particular angels had a huge desire to be worshipped as gods, and we are told when they were cast to earth, they accomplished just that. Humans began to worship these deities, even making idols for them. This very thing angered God so much that he said this, "Thou shalt have no other gods before me. Thou shalt not make unto thee any graven image, or any likeness of anything that is in heaven above, or that is in the earth beneath, or that is in the water under the earth. Thou shalt not bow down thyself to them, nor serve them. For I, the Lord thy God, am a jealous God, visiting the iniquity of the fathers upon the children, unto the third and fourth generation of them that hate me." Fallen angels have an eerie similarity with Greek gods, and gods of other cultures as well. The first major similarity is explained to us in one of the forgotten books of the Dead Sea Scrolls, the Book of Enoch. The Book of Enoch elaborates deeper into who the angels actually were in the Book of Genesis, but when we're told about their giant offspring, things begin to get eerie. We're told that angels, known as the Watchers, had massive offspring with human women. These beings were giants, and they are known as the Nephilim. This is extremely similar to the story of how demigods in Greek mythology came to be. As I've mentioned before, demigods are created when a god or goddess has a child with a human being. This is the very same sequence that is required in order for a Nephilim giant to be made. A prime example of a demigod in Greek mythology is Hercules. He is the most popular demigod in Greek mythology, and most likely you've heard of him even if you don't follow Greek mythology. Hercules' father is Zeus, and his mother is a human woman named Alcmene. This combination of a god and a human made Hercules an extremely strong being. The Nephilim also possessed extreme strength. However, there were different sizes of Nephilim giants. Some giants, such as the infamous Goliath, were 9 feet tall, while the early Nephilim giants were hundreds or even thousands of feet tall, reminiscent of the Greek Titans. The Book of Enoch